Proper white balance refers to the color temperature and the relative coolness and warmth of the light you're shooting with or within. White balance is another crucial element in achieving a high-quality image. White balance can be modified on Sony Alpha series cameras by selecting the function button on the camera's rear and using the dial to select the white balance. It gives you several options to choose from. You should balance your camera's white balance before shooting to ensure a clean image. Auto white balance. This is where your camera makes a best guess on a shot-by-shot basis. You'll find it works in many situations, but it's worth venturing out of it for trickier lighting. Daylight sets things as reasonably standard white balance settings. Shade, the light is generally cooler than shooting in direct sunlight, so the mode will warm things up a little. Cloudy. This setting generally warms things up more than daylight mode. Incandescent. This mode is usually symbolized by the little light bulb and is for shooting indoors, especially under tungsten incandescent lighting, such as bulb lighting. It generally cools down the colors in the photos. Next is fluorescent. This adjusts the color temperature to match a specific fluorescent condition. Flash mode. The camera flash can be quite a cool light, so in flash white balance mode, you'll find it warms up your shot a touch. We don't generally notice a difference in temperature because our eyes adjust automatically for it. So unless the temperature of the light is very extreme, a white sheet of paper will generally look white to us. However, a digital camera doesn't have the smarts to automatically make these adjustments, and sometimes they need us to tell them how. You want to avoid using auto white balance and set the white balance manually. It's as simple as going outside, looking up at the sky, and seeing what kind of day it is, and just adjusting the white balance manually for that specific lighting. If you do move inside, look at the lighting you're sitting underneath and adjust the white balance on your camera to fit that specific light. If you make a mistake and have the white balance setting incorrectly set, there are ways to fix this in post-production by changing the white balance. Now get out there with your camera and try some of these different white balance settings. See which one you prefer and which one works better in different situations. The more you get outside and shoot, the more you understand your camera. If you're in the market for camera gear, we highly recommend purchasing the Adorama. Become a VIP 360 member and receive free 2-day shipping on all products. Members also get a 60-day return policy with free shipping, as well as a 1-year accidental damage protection plan.